Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah from Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 21st January 2022. In the international market, US bond markets are calm and trading in a very narrow range, looking for a new clue to price in. US 10-year closed unchanged at 183 and 30-year unchanged at 214 on Thursday. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $86.85 per barrel. Short-term range is 84 to 88. Interesting fact, OPEC's market share to sell oil to India has fallen to 70% in 2021 from 87% in 2008. India is buying more crude from North America now. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 95.71. Short-term range 95.47 to 96.06. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is at 634. USD INR with a low of 74.53 closed at 74.44. Support at 74.35 and resistance at 74.75. Night Research view, weaker rupee story seems strong, and keep an eye on dollar index and equity flows from FIIs. In the domestic market, trading activity in the domestic market is drying as union budget is near. Today's GSEC auction will be another test for market and verify RBI's stance. On an interesting move, borrowing rates in money market surging to the highest levels in a year due to a sudden shortage of overnight funds caused by GST collections. RBI has announced that it will conduct an overnight variable rate repo auction, not the reverse repo, for notified amount of rupees 50,000 crore. 563 2026 closed at 594 versus 594, pretty much unchanged. 610 2031 at 661 versus 660, 667 2035 at 708 versus 707. As far as the commercial papers, the new segment which we have started covering now is concerned, NABARD issued a 3-month CPs at 385. Is your bank parking excess liquidity in CPs to earn attractive returns? If not yet, you can reach out to Night Research team headed by Mr. Pawan Somani. NABARD CPs are safe and liquid, and hence if you are parking short-term money in inefficient counters, you should start investments in commercial papers. Trading strategy, market to trade range bound with focus on today's GSEC auctions. Do not buy before today's auction cutoffs. Strategic call, 574 2026 was recommended at 606 and we advise to hold. Trading range 610 2031 would be 660 to 665. Next support at 665. That's it for today. See you next week with the new episode of Night Snippets.